Hey there, welcome to our explainer video showing you how to quickly remove and reconnect your quick hitch front broom on the Neilo M7040. Please note, this same technique can be used on any of our other models with a removable front broom. Firstly, lower the broom to the ground using the cabin controls. Then lower the support leg using the top lever. Stop lowering just before it touches the ground. Now remove the lynch pins at the bottom and pull out the large quick hitch pins. Next, disconnect all the hydraulic connections. Make sure the tractor is turned off before this step. Now fully lower the support leg to take the weight of the broom connections. Slowly and carefully reverse away from the broom. You're now ready to grade more freely. To reconnect the broom, line up the tractor with the broom and slowly approach the quick hitch. If needed, lower the support leg into place. The quick hitch may need to be pushed in or adjusted a little to fully align the quick hitch pinholes. Now go ahead and insert the quick hitch pins. You may need to adjust the support leg or move the quick hitch a little to make this easier. Once fully inserted, pop the lynch pins back on to hold the quick hitch pins in place. Now reconnect the hydraulic hoses into their couplings. Finally, raise the support leg all the way up, ensuring it's right out of the way. Righto, that's it all done. Great job, see you in the next one.